Meaning of grammatically.
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 Grammatically. Grammatically refers to the rules and principles that govern the structure, usage, and function of language. It includes understanding and applying proper grammar, syntax, and punctuation in writing and speaking. Grammatical correctness is essential for effective communication as it ensures clear and coherent expression of ideas. When a sentence is grammatically correct, it is easier for the reader or listener to understand the intended meaning of the message. On the other hand, incorrect grammar can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. Therefore, it is important to pay attention to grammar when communicating in any language.